If you're interested in converting any YouTube videos into text, there's a fantastic free site that can help you do it seamlessly. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. The process is straightforward. First, you need to grab the URL of the video you want to convert by clicking the share button and then copy link. Go to YouTubeTranscribe.com. Now paste the video's URL in here, then click Go. This tool quickly generates a transcript of the video, capturing all the spoken content. Once the transcription is complete, you have the flexibility to navigate through the transcript or play specific parts of the video, and the transcript will pick it up. Now you can easily copy the entire transcript by clicking this Copy Entire Transcript. Now paste the text into Google Docs or any other preferred document editor. At this point, you have a text document that can be used for various purposes, such as a blog post or reference material. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.